how to get rid of a mediocre hairstyle and stop looking like everybody else. Forget about outdated crops and undercuts. We're bringing a fresh new wave of hairstyles that will transform your look and change your life. And the best part is, all of them are easy to manage and will suit all types of hair. Number 1. The Wolf Cut. This style is a mix of a shaggy and layered cut that gives a wild and untamed look. It features long hair on top that gradually fades into shorter hair on the sides and back. It can be customized to suit your face shape and hair type, and is a great way to add texture and movement to your hair. This style will work best on guys with thick, wavy, or curly hair, but it can be achieved with straight hair as well. Just like other hairstyles on this list, the Wolf Cut is low maintenance and easy to style. On top of that, you can let your hair dry naturally for a messy look, or use styling products for a more polished finish. Number 2. The Modern Mullet. This hairstyle is finally making a comeback with a fresh new twist. The coolest part is that it'll never look the same on different people. That's because it can be adapted to suit your hair type and length to achieve a one-of-a-kind look. If you have curly hair, the Modern Mullet can give you a wild and untamed appearance. If you have wavy hair, it can give you more of a relaxed, laid-back look. And even if your hair texture is straight, the Modern Mullet will still work for you. So whether you want a bold and edgy look or a more relaxed and casual style, the Modern Mullet is definitely worth considering as your next hairstyle choice. Number 3. The Flow. Being the easiest to achieve, this style is all about a laid-back and effortless look. To pull off the flow, simply let your hair grow out to a medium length and keep the sides and back neatly trimmed. This creates a nice contrast between the long hair on top and the short hair on the sides and back. It's quite versatile and works well for a variety of hair types, from straight to curly. Whether you want a slick back look or a more beachy vibe, the Flow has got you covered. Number 4. Curtains. Curtains are still extremely popular, and it's up to you to decide whether you want a more modern or formal look. To achieve this style, ask your barber to leave the hair longer on top and gradually taper the length towards the back and sides. Being quite versatile, this haircut will work well with short, medium, and long hair. So whether you're looking for a casual, messy, or formal look, the Curtains haircut has got you covered. Number 5. The Messy Taper. A combination of two different hairstyles, the messy look and the taper. To achieve this look, grow out your hair to a medium length. Then, ask your hairstylist to give you a tapered cut, where the hair on the sides and back is shorter than the hair on the top. The best part about it, you can choose the length of your hair on the top depending on your preference. This hairstyle is perfect for casual occasions and can be easily dressed up with a nice outfit for more formal events. Number 6. The Quaff. A truly timeless and versatile hairstyle. It's an excellent choice to elevate your look. Longer hair on top is styled upward and back, while the sides and back are cut shorter. It's great with any hair length, but the best look can be achieved with short and medium hair. Number 7. Slickback. A classic and iconic look that gained popularity after Christian Bale's character, Patrick Bateman. This highly recognizable and sought-after hairstyle features short to medium-length hair that's slicked back with a high-shine product and styled with side parting. The sides and back are tapered and trimmed short, while the top is left longer to create volume and a stunning effect. To have a stunning look yourself, I recommend clicking on this video.